Welcome, in front of me is Xiaomi Redmi 13, and in this video I will show you what to do if you cannot access your device using your lock screen password. So, in case you forgot your password, the best decision would be to try to contact the Xiaomi customer support service, and in case you can provide them with the proof of the ownership of your smartphone, they will most likely be able to help you out and let you regain access to your device without the need of removing data from it. It's the best decision in my opinion, but if you cannot do that, then the other solution would be to perform a factory reset operation and erase all data from your phone manually, and you can do this both remotely or locally. If you have access, if you have a Google account connected with your smartphone, then you can use Find Hub service that you can access by simply googling it in your browser on any other device. Just find the Find Hub and enter it. Sign in using your Google account on this website, and find this application on the applications list, and just select factory reset, which is the last option on the on the options list usually, or on the actions list usually. And once all the data is erased, your phone will be reset to the primary state, and you'll be able to set it up as a new device. Now, alternatively, you can use recovery mode to perform factory reset operation locally, and if you don't know how to do that, or if you are not sure how to navigate in the recovery mode, then we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to do that step by step. So if you're interested, go ahead and check out that video. And now for this one, I will tell you and show you what to do in case you remember the password to your phone, but you simply cannot access it because it doesn't get accepted on the screen. So in such case, you'll have to do the same thing but in the safe mode. So to enter the safe mode, press and hold the power button and the volume up key at the same time, then select reboot, and then you're gonna have to enter the safe mode by pressing the volume down key when you see the logo on your screen. So let's wait until the logo appears. And now start pressing the volume down key and just wait until your phone vibrates. Now in the safe mode, there will be no third-party applications that affect the way that your smartphone behaves, and therefore your smartphone will be less laggy. And if you do remember the correct password, you'll be able to sign in using it in the safe mode. So just wait until your phone vibrates and keep pressing the volume down key. It should vibrate in a moment. Okay, right now you can release the volume down key and just wait until you see the safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner of the screen. And once you see this indicator, as I mentioned before, enter your password. Enter your password, press enter, and if you do succeed entering your smartphone this way, just go to settings, then select fingerprints, face data on screen lock, select screen lock, then again confirm using your password, click next, and select turn off screen lock, then press OK, and then just reboot your phone by holding down the volume up key and the power button at the same time. Select reboot and your phone will reboot normally, and this way you will regain access to your phone. So either way, I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.